Hi guys, how can we solve this equation for x? Let's first take the multiplicative inverse of both sides. The multiplicative inverse of 1 over x minus 1 is x minus 1, and the multiplicative inverse of 100 is 1 over 100. Next, we can add 1 to both sides of the equation. We can write 1 as 100 over 100. Now both fractions have a common denominator, so we can add them. And then of course 1 plus 100 is 101. And that's our final answer. Finally, let me leave you with a bonus problem. 1 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x minus 1 plus 1 over x minus 2 is equal to 1. Is the answer 1, 2, 3, or 4? How can we solve this? Here's a hint. Can we find the right answer without algebra? If you find it, leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.